Life isn't easy. Some people face unimaginable pain, yet they rise like champions. Today I'm sharing the inspiring story of Karan Aujla, a boy who turned his deepest losses into his greatest strengths and became one of the most loved and respected Punjabi artists of our time. His journey proves that no matter how tough life gets, with hard work and belief, you can achieve anything. Karan Aujla was born in Ghurala village, Punjab. His life wasn't like others, like all of us. He faced tragedy at a young age. Both his parents passed away when he was just a child. Imagine losing your biggest support system and still finding the courage to keep moving forward. Despite this heartbreak, Karan discovered his passion early, that was writing songs. But life didn't give him an easy road. He didn't come from a background of fame or wealth, but what he had was raw talent and a dream. His journey took him to Canada, where he worked so hard, far from home, with no guarantees of success. He wrote songs for others, but it wasn't enough. Karan wanted more, he wanted his own voice to be heard. It wasn't until 2016 that Karan Aujla's luck began to change. His song Don't Worry became a massive hit and introduced him as a powerful new voice in Punjabi music. But success didn't come without challenges. His rivalry with Sidhu Moosewala made headlines. It could have crushed anyone, but Karan didn't let the negativity define him. Instead, he channeled all his energy into his music. His songs spoke about life, pain, love, and resilience, and people felt them. He became the voice of those who fight against the odds. And today we know how big Karan Aujla this name has become. From a mere Punjabi artist to his success to the Bollywood and even to the international stages, he has proved his worth. Karan Aujla's journey is a reminder that life is a mix-up of ups and downs. There were moments when everything seemed impossible for him, but he never gave up. He didn't let his losses, struggles, or controversies break him. Instead, he focused on what he could control: his craft, his passion, and his dreams. And look at him now, from a boy who lost his parents in a small village to a global superstar. His story teaches us that our pain doesn't define us. It's what we do with that pain that makes us unstoppable. Karan Aujla's story is proof that no matter where you start in life, your end can be extraordinary if you believe in yourself and work hard. If Karan's journey inspired you, hit the like button and share this video with someone who needs a little motivation today. Remember, just like Karan, you too can overcome anything. This is your sign to never stop dreaming, never stop hustling, and more importantly, never stop believing in yourself, because if he can do it, so can you.